All right, what is up, guys? We took a trade today. We lost. We had a break-even trade, and then we lost. I mean, I'm not really. I don't think the second trade was that good. In the moment, I did think it was good. Obviously, in the moment, I thought it was a good trade. Um, but I didn't realize something. It's stupid, like a really stupid mistake. I just didn't realize this one thing. I won't get into that, but it does kind of feel like the past couple of trading days, it's just been like win loss win loss. Like it's been Thursday green, Friday red, Monday green, Tuesday red, or Wednesday red. It just kind of feels like it's just been doing that. I mean, I'm profitable these past couple days, right? I'm up on the week. I'm up on the past 2 weeks, but like it just feels pretty stagnant. Like my eval is just stagnant. Like it's not like doing too much. But that's the reality. But yeah, I don't even know what happened here. Like we had previous days low coming in the market open. I thought that we were going to take out previous days low. We just reversed fucking bull run here. But yeah, I noticed my drawn liquidity was just these highs. ES actually had equal highs, and oh, maybe it didn't. So it looks like okay, MES had equal highs, but regular ES did not. So I saw it as equal highs. But regardless, like it's still a good draw on liquidity. You can see on NQ, it is Asia highs, and there's also London highs here, and it's an unfilled 1 hour. So that was my draw on liquidity once I saw this bullish fucking price action print. And I was looking to see if we can get an entry, but so I was looking to see if we could fill this here on NQ, which I mean we ended up doing, right? It also happened to be a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So we filled that, and immediately I'm on the 1 minute. I realize, well, there was this trade here, right? I didn't take this. I was looking at this fair value gap, and I was like, okay, well, if this inverses, I'll probably take this, right? It's a beautiful trade if it inverses, but it inverses all the way up here, which would make my risk to reward, can't take that. I would have taken, obviously, I was looking for it to inverse like here. I would have been fine. Could have put stops at the recent low or even here, maybe not really, but no, I wouldn't have done that. But like something like that, right? That obviously would have played out, but it does it sometimes where it just wants to inverse higher. But yeah, you have to stay disciplined. You can't be taking those trades because there's reward unless that's per your rules. But yeah, I couldn't take that, unfortunately. It obviously played out right bias, right analysis, whatever. What is this? Oh, this is Trump speaking? Okay. I saw that. But yeah, no trades taken there. And then we took out the highs, put in an S&T. But I didn't really have a clear target. If I wanted to do the mech model, right, I didn't really have. First of all, if you go to the 5 minute here, or sorry, it was the 3 minute. I didn't even see this, if I'm being honest. I didn't see this. I don't know what I was doing. But this 3 minute inverses, I think I was looking to take this, but I would have taken it like this. Stop also would have been above this body here, and then like I really don't have a valid take profit. That's why I didn't take this trade. Because now I remember. I wanted to take this trade, and I was planning on targeting equilibrium. It would have been like this. It would have been a break-even trade. But the reason I didn't take this is because even though we filled this 15 minute, it was just a huge 15 minute fair value gap in the way of my trade being played out. I wasn't confident in it because of that 15 minute. It just kind of blocked off my entry. So I couldn't take that. Even though it was a nice inverse, whatever, I couldn't take it. But yeah, we rebounced, okay, and then ES at the time was yet to take out my highs, which was these are the highs that I was targeting. I guess it was London highs here, and yeah, we had an S&T which caused us to move down, and then started to trade a little bit higher. I noticed that I think ES filled it. I think ES like just filled it here. Yeah. So ES filled this 15 minute down here. This low is a 15 minute fair value gap. We had a bunch of 1 minute inverses. I didn't take any of these. I had to wait for the 3 minute. This is my rules. High time frame inverse. I have to wait for it. And then yeah, we got the 3 minute inverse. I wait for it to rebalance just so I can have a bit of a better risk to reward. And I got a pretty good entry. I got in like right here. take profit was at the highs, and then I put my stop loss a little bit unorthodox of me, but I put it like, actually it's not that unorthodox, it's normal, but yeah, I put it at the body of this low. And this trade would have played out, right? But I mean, I'm fine with doing this. I went break even at these highs, which that's the right thing to do, I think. So I'm not really too mad about going break even there. Because we ended up inversing this 1 minute and then holding it, which is weird, but I think it's just because we traded probably like a 2 minute or 3 minute, I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of annoying, right? Like, executed it correctly. Like, it's the second day in a row that happened to me where I got whipped out and then it ran to take profit. I'm not gonna change my rules because of that. Obviously, I've practiced it enough to know that I don't need to change my rules because of 2 trades. Even if it's happened the next 5 times in a row, I'm not going to change my rules. So I'm not, like, the thing that I did yesterday is also fine, right? The thing that I sometimes get caught up on, or sometimes, but is like when I go break even too soon, which is just, it should be obvious when you're going break even too soon. If it's like barely even above your entry and you go break even because there's a high, it's like you just don't do that. That's pointless. But I mean, this was already like, what was it? I was already 20 points in profit. Wait, what? Or it's only 5 points because that's an ES trade. But I was up so amount. Like I was up a slot amount, and I went break even and saw me out. From there, ES just chopped around, and Q did actually give a setup here. I'll go over what it was. So I know that we swept these highs, and this is where I fucked up, right? So we swept the highs, and then immediately after we swept it, what the fuck was? Holy shit! What the fuck? That's wild, bro. Jeez, I just realized that Trump was speaking now, so just trying to fucking watch this. I'm jumping in shorts. Holy fuck. Oh my god, dude. What is going on? That is cooked. That is fucked. Alright, anyways. I'll go over the trade I saw. So we set the highs, we rebalanced, and then we manipulated the highs again. This is what I obviously shouldn't have done, is like, okay, we had an extra manipulation leg because we were filling a 15 minute after sweeping up the highs. And then I see, 2 minute inverse, right? Oh, it's not going to let me go to the 2 minute, but you guys understand the point. There was a 2 minute inverse that I took right here. It was somewhere around, I think I took it here. Wait. It was around here where I actually took the trade. And I noticed that we had an unfilled 5 minute fair value gap, right? The classic Mac model here. It's not a good model at all. I'm gonna go over why, but that was the trade, like a 1-to-1. Bad trade. Shouldn't have taken it. It wasn't impulsive because I did think that it was a good trade. Right, I didn't really I failed to realize this one thing. It wasn't like an impulsive thing. I was confident in it. I didn't just click it. So that's fine. I did what I was supposed to. But I didn't realize this one thing. So I technically didn't. But whatever. Basically, the whole point of the MEC model is that once we take out a significant high or a significant low, I'm trying to catch that immediate move to rebalance price, because after we take out some significant high or low, I'm expecting it to rebalance itself. So in this case, we sweep out the significant high, London highs, and we also tap a 1 hour fair value gap, and then we rebalance. So we pretty much, this is the MEC model, except we're not able to catch because of our rules, which is fine. But this is the MEC model. We're supposed to catch the rebalance of the range. But once we rebalance, the objective of the MEC model is taken. Now we manipulate higher and we try to catch this trade, but that's not the MEC model. MEC model is trying to rebalance. This is not rebalancing because it already rebalanced after taking out the high. I keep saying balanced, bro. Oh my god, I gotta stop saying that. But anyways, that's the quickest way I can sum it up. I hope you guys understood what I just said, but I mean, it made sense in my head, so I hope it actually made sense. But I'm pretty fine with the day. I mean, I'm able to learn something important, which is what the objective of the back. I knew what it was. I just I knew how to take the trades, and I knew how to find it and like when to take it. I'd have like that like stamp on the thing where it's like once this happens, you're done, and the mech model isn't there anymore, which is today. So I could take away something really important today. We're gonna get better. We're gonna continue, and we're gonna end the week off strong. Right? That doesn't mean winning. It just means, I mean, obviously we could win, but I'm just saying it means following our rules, right? And just taking high quality setups the rest of the week. High quality mech model, high quality continuation. Today's a good example of like we had a continuation model off the 3-minute inverse that we took. We took it on ES, but it looks similar, right? We had the 15-minute tap, 3-minute inverse, London highs, boom. Beautiful continuation. I was happy with that trade. I should get rid of something. Oh, I got rid of ES. Huh. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, like that was a good trade. And also, what was it? Yeah. Beautiful fucking trade. It sucks that we had to hit break even. We got like a really nice fill, whatnot. Like a little over 1-to-1 that we had. But like I just thought we had to break even. And I look, he wasn't even. Wait. Yeah. No, my entry was higher. My entry was like here. And my stop loss was here. And you can see, like, it literally just wicks me out for no reason. It just wicks it out and then runs. Like, fuck you. Like, that's the type of shit that pisses me off sometimes, right? Even more than the loss. This pisses me off more than the loss. Easily. Just because it's just like, that should have been a winning trade. Like, you didn't even do that, you know what I'm saying? Like, but it's just part of the rules. It's what I backed as it. So that happens. Today, yesterday, those dates happen. But we are looking forward to better, more days to practice, more days to get better. That's what I'm looking forward to. So yeah, I have April break coming up soon. I'm excited to be able to trade for a week. I only get a week, a little more than a week. So I think I have like 6 trading days, which is amazing. I'm thankful and grateful for that, where I can trade without being in school. Like I had to really try to snipe this, but yeah, oh my gosh, dude, like what in the jersey? So I am in a short here. I entered up here. Let me show you my entry. Guys, there are some people who would genuinely try to tell you this. I'm serious. Like, there are people who will try to tell you this type of shit. So yeah, I entered here. Stops was at like the body high, right? A classic turtle suit model. Expecting the dump from Trump after the push up, right? I was at least expecting this to get filled a little bit intense. And as you can see, the trade played out nicely. I am still in this trade, right? I have a runner towards the lows down here. So you'll see how this trade is. 49R, pretty decent, right? An average trade for me. But yeah. No, but seriously, there are some people who will try to convince. They will say that they took trades like these, but you can't be falling for that if you're, buying a course or whatever. But I don't know. I'm kind of dragging it, but I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.